In this question, if a equals 4 square root of 2 and 2a equals square root of 2b, what is the value of 2b? So here we have two equations and two unknowns involving radical sign, and we're asked to find b. So we have a and b, but we only asked to find the value of b. And so since we have two equations, we can just rewrite these two equations. We have a is equal to 4 square root of 2, and another equation we have 2a equals square root of 2b. B should be inside the radical sign. We can substitute a here in the equation 1 to equation 2. So by substitution, we can substitute a to this equation number 2. So using or substituting 1 to equation 2, we have 2 times a. Instead of writing a, we are going to write what a is equal to. Times a is times 4 square root of 2, and that is equal to 2a is equal to square root of 2b. Square root of 2b. Now we have this equation, and we already have eliminated the variable a, and we only have here b, so we need to find the value of b. So from here, we can now solve for b by simplifying this equation. So let's multiply 2 to 4 square root of 2. To do that, we're going to multiply 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8, and that is square root times square root of 2. That is equal to square root of 2b. Now we're going to cancel this square root. To do that, we're going to take the squared of both sides of this equal sign. So let's take the squared of these two sides of equal sign. Now what is squared of 8 square root of 2? We're going to take the square of both factors here. We have 8 squared times square root of 2 squared, and that is equal to, now we're going to take the squared of square root of 2b. So here we have square root of 2b squared. Now we can take the square root of 8, and that is 8 times 8 is equal to 64. And we can take the square root of 2 squared, and we can cancel this radical sign. And so this squared here will leave us with 2 times 2. So that is 64 times 2. And here we can cancel this radical sign by taking the square of that square root, and that is canceled out. And so we have 2b. Now we're going to solve for b, and we can easily divide both sides by 2 to cancel this 2 here with b, and we're going to divide this right side of the equal sign by 2 as well and cancel that 2. And finally, we have b is equal to 64. So the answer for the value of b is 64.